I'm Jamie at the Bead Gallery.
I'm Jason at the Bead Gallery.
And today we're going to show you this cool new tool that I just found out about. It's called a
Center Finder.
Okay, so why I need that? Sometimes when we're making a button, what I do is I take a disc and I'll take a Sharpie and I'll just make 2 dots on it and I punch the 2 holes. But as you can see, sometimes I'm a little off. And I was always wondering, how could I, without just using a ruler, how can I get 2 dots on there? So Jason just showed me this awesome new tool.
Just like that. Place your disc underneath, take your Sharpie marker, indelible ink marker, run it down this line right here, and there we go. And we get a straight line all the way across. That's it. And then if you're doing a single hole button, put that back in just like that. Run the line this way like this, about at a 90-degree angle again. Sorry. And look what you got.
Awesome.
Dead center.
That's awesome, because then, here, I'm going to show you.
After you get dead center, then you can...
Then I can go, here, I'll punch a hole here, and here, and you just make your dots. And this is so much easier than eyeballing it. That's awesome. Okay, so that is how you can have a handy, quick way of centering on your disc.
Yep.
And it works on flowers as well.
Yep.
Thank you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. We'll share them as we come up with them. Oh, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, yes. The Bead Gallery.
Bye.
Bye.